Hi there. For those of you new to this channel, my name is RV. And today I'd like to share a video about what bank rules are and the benefits of using them in Xero cloud accounting software.
Hey, I wanted to ask. Have you used bank rules in Xero before?
Yes, all the time. They're a great way to automate the categorization of transactions. Bank rules are like filters that apply certain actions to transactions based on specific criteria.
What types of transactions should I use them for?
Bank rules are best used for recurring transactions like bank fees, subscriptions, interest, or rent that have a consistent description, but that you don't already create a bill, invoice, or other type of transaction for in Xero.
That makes sense. What are the benefits of using them?
Well, by using bank rules you can start to automate your bookkeeping. This can save you time, reduce errors, and help you deal with transactions in a consistent way over time, no matter who is doing the work. They can also help you keep your books organized and up to date.
Got it. Do you have any tips for using bank rules successfully?
Sure. Firstly, choose the right type of bank rule for your transaction. There are 3 types of bank rules: receive money, spend money, and transfer money. Receive money and spend money rules apply to transactions that affect income and expenses, whereas transfer money rules apply to transactions that move money between your bank accounts.
That's a good tip. What's another one?
Well, it's important to set the conditions for your rule carefully. You can use 1 or more conditions to set when the rule should apply. These conditions can be based on a number of fields in the bank transaction information, such as payee, description, reference, and amount. And you can also choose whether all conditions, or just any of the conditions, have to be met for the rule to apply.
That's a good point. Do you have any more tips?
Absolutely! A third tip is be sure to test bank rules before using them and review them regularly. Make sure they really do what is intended before using them, and they're still relevant and working properly over time. You don't want to accidentally categorize transactions incorrectly.
Yes, that's an important one.
Another tip is to use bank rules in conjunction with bank feeds. This ensures that transactions are automatically categorized as soon as they're imported into Xero.
I see. So that way I can automate more of my bookkeeping workflow.
Exactly! My last tip is to keep your bank rules organized. Use naming conventions or numbering systems to easily identify and manage your rules.
Thanks for all of these tips. I'm excited to try using bank rules in Xero now.
You're welcome. Let me know if you have any questions or need any help.
Okay. So let's summarize those tips on using bank rules in Xero. Firstly, make sure you use the type of rule that suits the transaction. So should it be spend money, receive money, or transfer money? Secondly, use the conditions to make sure each rule captures all the transactions you want it to, but not transactions you don't. You can do this by testing rules before you let them run live. And review existing rules from time to time to ensure they are still needed and functioning as expected. The benefit of bank rules is increased if they are used in conjunction with bank feeds. And finally, setting up and sticking to a consistent naming structure ensures bank rules are easier to manage over time. I should add, Xero applies bank rules in the order they are listed. So it is important to have the most important rules listed first. Well, that's it for our video about using bank rules in Xero. I hope you found it of value. As always, before you go, remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get notified when we post more content like this. And check out the links below for additional information, or leave a comment about what topic you would like to see covered in future videos. Thanks for watching. And see you again soon.